Planet 9. Still unknown. Well, the planet takes around 15,000 years to orbit the Sun. Its orbit is pretty eccentric, which means that it goes out and it comes into the Kuiper belt, and that could explain the weird orbits of Trans-Neptunian objects. The planet has estimated mass of 10 Earths. Now scientists are still guessing what it could be: a gas giant or a rocky planet, a supermassive ice planet. This planet is 10 times more massive than Earth. Could be. Which is 5,000 times more massive than Pluto. And it's the outermost planet. Could be the outermost planet in our solar system, if it were to be discovered in the future. But its very, very eccentric and long orbit makes it pretty hard to find with telescopes. Even though it's bigger than the rest of Kuiper belt objects, it will be very hard to find it. Distance from the Sun is huge. Radius is 13,000 to 26,000. Mass is around 10 Earths. It's a hypothetical planet, as you can see here. And yeah, the planet could be. And this planet has a highly eccentric orbit, which takes it far away from the Sun and then back onto a 50,000-year-long orbit. Whatever it is, this planet could be the biggest discovery in our solar system. It could be the real reason why are the comets constantly falling back into the solar system and falling. This planet could cause the gravitational effects of this planet and the other planets in the other solar system, like Neptune. Neptune's gravity also pulls on Kuiper belt, and this object could do the same. I can only imagine this planet having the lowest temperatures in our solar system because it's so far from the Sun. But still, it could contain some storms if it is a gas giant, like Neptune. But those will be significantly weaker because the Sun doesn't reach out that far. It's a darkness zone. So guys, what do you think about this new discovery about Planet 9? Well, it wasn't discovered. It was discovered a while ago, but still. What do you think? What is it? A gas giant or a rocky planet? Or a mixture of ice and rock? I personally think it's a gas giant, simply because while the solar system was forming, the ice and rock and dust and gases, hydrogen, helium, the solar wind would blow that away until it's far enough into the frost line. And that dust could have been going outwards since our solar system was formed. And there is a chance this planet could have formed by accumulating that remaining dust and gas that went into the outer solar system. This planet is so far away that it would take a long time to discover it. Well, it could be found eventually, but I'm thinking it's a gas giant. It could surely have a very hot core because it's a very massive planet, and it could even have a few moons. not just like this, looking like this. As you can see, this is like our artistic representation of the planet. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. So yeah, that was it.